Okay. Hi children. Today our discussing topic is preparation and uses of washing soda. Washing soda. Now, we said how will prepare madam washing soda? What is the formula of washing soda? We have to know before going to this topic. That is Na2CO3 10H2O is the formula of the washing soda. Okay, don't confuse here. Decahydrated sodium carbonate is called the washing soda. Decahydrated sodium carbonate is called the washing soda. Many children writing Na2CO3 only. That is not wrong. That is also correct only. But when on that I will tell you in preparation of the washing soda. You see. How will you prepare? Already you learnt about the preparation of washing soda in baking soda heating, amma. Okay, I already told you in there. Now, once you listen, when baking soda on heating of baking soda gives washing soda, Na2CO3. Okay, plus what will become out? This is the preparation of washing soda, amma. Okay, on heating of NaHCO3, baking soda gives washing soda. Okay, see here, recrystallization means then again we have to crystallize it. Then we will get the our washing soda. Na2CO3 on recrystallization. Then what will come? Na2CO3 10H2O. That's why when you are touching washing soda, see it is some wet to touch. Yes or no? Very wet to touch that one. That's why it is because the 10 molecules of water is present. No, that's why Na2CO3 10H2O is the formula of our washing soda. Do you understand now? What are the uses of? What are the uses of washing soda? Okay, mainly first important domestic purposes. Domestic purpose. It is very useful to us to clean the all instrument in our homes. Domestic purposes. Okay, we have for washing clothes also we need that, and removing permanent hardness of the hardness of water. What is the permanent hardness of water, madam? How will get permanent hardness to water? If carbonates or bicarbonates are present in water, then it is called the hard water, amma. Okay, hardness, permanent hardness of water. Carbonates or bicarbonates also present in that water. Okay, then we are calling permanent hardness of water. These are these are not useful. It is unable to use. That water is unable to drinking and unable to use. Okay, to remove that permanent hardness of water, we are using washing soda. When you are adding washing soda with water on heating, okay, that permanent carbonates and bicarbonates will remove from the water. Then we can drink that water. Okay, this is the another use. And many industries, and that means many industries use this like which industries use paper industry and textile, mainly textile industry. We know that in paper textile industry means for cloths. Okay, industrial processes, some doing some paper and soap like that. Some industries are glass, soap and paper industries like that. Glass and soap. This is like some more, all industries also, mainly all industries also using this, in industries use this one to cleaning and use it to manufacturing of borax powder. Manufacturing of borax powder. Okay, what is borax powder, madam? What is borax powder? What is the use of borax powder in our daily life? Which if you have any wounds or any injuries, to protect the injuries or wounds, we are using borax powder, a sprinkling. Yes or no? Some in the olden days they are using it is like a powder, a sprinkling on the wounds. Then after some days maybe remove. This is the use of borax powder. Borax powder. Many children asking what is the formula of borax powder? What is the formula? Nothing. Before borax powder H20 and Na2O17 is the formula of the borax powder. And here you can write like this P4, okay, B4O7 Na2 and 10H2O. This is also decahydrated borax. You see, it is also called, this is borax. 10 deca means 10. Decahydrated borax is the formula of borax powder. You see, this is only, you see, this which is preparation of the manufacturing of borax powder using this Na2CO3 10H2O, because see, most of that one only present here, Na2 and CO3. CO2 will be come out from the material. Okay, you will we are learning the more preparation in the borax powder, main preparation on the borax powder. This is about the uses of washing soda, what we have to learn up to 10th class. Okay, thank you.